We're at Infinity today with
Somrita Gupta.
Somrita Gupta. Very nice to meet you.
Same here.
Thank you. So, Somrita, what's your relationship status?
I am single, happily single.
Oh, really? Then how do you look like that and not be in a relationship? Like, don't guys like approach you?
Yeah, it does, but I don't want to complicate my life, so I'm
Okay.
kind of
Okay.
away from guys. So
Right. Okay. That's very honest of you. Have you used dating apps?
yeah, of course, Bumble, Hinge, everything I have used. None of that worked.
It didn't work.
No,
Why do you say that?
it did, but eventually I turned up to every red flags ever. So
Shit. And what would you say is a red flag in a guy? Like the biggest red flag you've come across?
okay, so the biggest red flag is I don't know if that is red flag for all the girls out there, but it's just I have my guy and he's just commenting and liking every other chicks over there,
Okay.
and he's like, no, it's just pasand aa gaya and everything. It just need 2 seconds, guys, to replace you. Remember that.
Absolutely. No, you're right. Shoot, that's terrible. I mean,
That's terrible.
yeah, okay. How often do you make eye contact with strangers?
Until I
anyone.
find somebody very hot,
Right.
but other than that, I am pretty much into my shopping spree and everything. So till the time
Right.
I get somebody's eye contact, it's like matching with my vibe. So yeah,
Cool.
it's kind of not that often. It's rare.
Of course. That's fair. So would you rather have emotional availability or like great sex?
Any day, great sex over emotional stability. But no, I am kind of a old school lover from heart. But the point is, the generation out here is very fucked up.
It is.
Beep beep beep. But
Yep. No.
it's kind of very messed up. So yeah,
Right.
great sex over emotional.
True, that's great. That is
Yeah.
super honest, super straightforward. Thank you. What's the one thing that turns you on the most?
Eye contact.
It does.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
that is.
Eye contact is the most important thing for me, even while making out, making love, or even for the first date, I guess. So eye
Right.
contact, guys, please.
Love it. I love it. If you were an ice cream bar,
Okay.
would you prefer to be bitten or licked?
Both, I guess, at the same time. Why will I choose? Why do I mean, look at me.
Yeah. Give us a spin. Give us a spin to see.
Yeah, that's
That's-
why you got us, guys.
that's you.
So yeah,
Yeah.
both.
Love it. Great. And then last question before I let you go. What would you rate my videographer out of 10?
Out of 10, he's cute.
Okay.
So maybe a solid 7, 7.5.
Not bad. And then last question, what would you rate me out of 10?
Since he already approached me for the video and everything, solid 10. It needs guts, guys. So
Love it. I love it. So for that very reason, you're giving me a 10 out of 10. I love it. Thanks so much,
Thank you
Somrita.
so